It's your boy Nonchalant FX, aka Swing King, and we are back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about AUD USD, the slowest pair of them all. It's not really the slowest pair, but it's pretty damn slow. If you know AUD USD, you know how slow it is. It's very slow, very slow, very slow, very slow. But I love AUD USD. You know, I have a lot of success with it, so I just keep trading it. But yeah, we're going to talk about, you know, the trade that I took. If you guys have me on Instagram, you've seen it. I post all my trades on my Instagram for everybody else to catch as well. So go follow my Instagram so you can catch these trades. But we're going to talk about the breakdown, how I made the money that I made, my outlook on it, where I think it's going to go, all this great stuff we're going to talk about right now. My name is Nonchalant, and I'm addicted to day trading. This is me in the trade. This is me in the side of the trade. You know, this is not a screenshot. Live account. Live account. This is how much I am currently up inside of this trade. Okay, so AUD USD. Let me show you guys the trade. For those who do not have me on Instagram, let me show you what the trade looks like. So this is the daily time frame. This is a swing trade. It's about 140 pips. It's a 1 to 15. So yeah, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you catch trades like this, 1 to 15s. Like, these are not your everyday trades though. These are once in a while. They happen, you know, pretty frequently, but it's not every day. So don't look for 1 to 15s every day, guys. I don't even personally look for 1 to 15s every day. Typically, I'm going for a 1 to 4, 5, or 6. 4, you know, 3 on the low end, but I'm probably not going for 3s. I'm usually 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. But yeah, anyways, 1 to 15 here. So TP is 140 pips. So yeah, let me tell you guys why I took this trade. So first things first is I noticed we had this high, and I marked up the previous high. And I marked the previous high. There we go. Let's do like about here. So now we got both highs marked. If you don't understand zones, I got a video out on support and resistance. I'm going to link it here so you guys can go ahead and check that out. But yeah, the reason I took this trade was because I noticed we had broke this high, right? And we also broke this low. So once we broke this low right here, I'm going to mark it so you guys can see. We broke this low. I'm like, all right, time to look for sells. Well, I was always selling once we broke here, but I'm looking for more sells to add on to my position. But yeah, first thing I noticed was that we never came back for a retest on this area. Okay, we never came back for a retest on this zone, on this area, on this resistance, whatever you want to call it. We never came back and retested it. And anytime you break through a zone, you must retest it. I'll say it again. Anytime you break through a zone, you must retest it. Break and retest. That's the name of the game. Break, retest. So I was looking for that retest to happen. Once I seen price reverse down here, I'm like, okay, it's time. Well, we got, you know, this, the bounce, break, and then we got the rejection back to the upside. Very strong, very strong. This is a very strong rejection. And it came right back down, couldn't close under. So I'm like, yeah, time to go back up. This is definitely going to start searching for some liquidity in order to push back down. Because in order for the market to move in a direction, it needs liquidity. And that is what it's looking for. Well, that's what it currently did. Well, previously did last week. This move right here was just a bunch of liquidity being collected. You got that retest on the resistance, and you go to a lower time frame, we also got a pattern. It's a little bit hard to see. That's why it's good to go out and practice, because your patterns are not always going to be clear as day. You're not going to always see a perfect head and shoulders or a perfect triple top, double bottom. Whatever the pattern is, it's not going to look perfect all the time. So here, you can see, even if you want, you got draw another level here. Let's actually take out the, I'm not gonna worry about that. So we're gonna stay right here. So if you look, you got a 1, 2, and 3. That is a clear triple top. You got a touch on the resistance. And even though it didn't pull all the way up, that's an even better indication. So you got the first tap. The second tap couldn't reach all the way back up to the resistance, which to me was an even better indication that this wants to go down. Why? Because there's not enough power, buying power, pushing this up. So wherever it's at is where it stopped. And then the second time, what happened? It did the same thing again. And it couldn't, again, the same thing that happened on the second touch right here. So if I take out a tool, I'll draw it real quick. Boom. What happened? The third touch closed lower than the second touch. So in my eyes, I'm like, yeah, this is heading down. This is definitely heading down. So this is where I took my sell. I'm not even gonna lie, I actually had to sell. My first position was from here. Because this was NFP, which was non-farm payroll. And if you guys know, non-farm payroll is high impact news. High impact news. Unemployment was released. So once I seen this push all the way up to the zone, I'm like, yeah, time to sell. And NFP happened to push it to the perfect point. Perfect point. And look at that. Tap the zone, and it just sank from there. But the trade that you guys saw, I was right around, let me see actually, get the point. I was around this area. I don't know the exact level. I was around here though. I took a sell from here. Once I seen we got the push back up and we closed lower once again, yeah, I took that sell. Pretty obvious sell. Boom. Oh no, that's a buy. I did not buy that, I sold it. Okay. So I took that sell. Stop loss was, of course, right above the high, and we're targeting daily lows. Targeting daily lows. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade, guys. That's why I took the trade. And right now, I'm going to show you guys what the outlook for this is. So I got this right about there. Now, the reason I'm saying we're going to continue heading down is because a few reasons actually. One is we have this resistance we broke on the daily, right? We broke it on the daily and we closed under it. Look at this, guys. We closed under it. See on the daily right here, we closed under this level. We love that. Because if we closed above, I would have been like, you know, maybe we're going to retest. But I don't even think we're going to retest. Honestly, it's probably just going to keep tanking. There's no reason to retest, guys. There's no reason for it to retest. It has all the liquidity that it needs. And it's currently trading on a daily, like a daily level. So this is a daily trade. This is a swing trade, guys. But anyways, we also have this pattern, this candlestick pattern called a tweezer top. What is a tweezer top? It is this right here. This is a bearish signal. This says the price is about to tank. Tank. I'm going to show you guys. Where is it? How do I do it? Boom. I delete it. So you guys can see tweezer top pattern. Tweezer top pattern. Exactly. Look, tweezer top pattern right here. Or we can boom. So if you look at it there, right here, you look at that, and then what? Boom. Same exact thing, guys. Same exact thing. So yeah, we have a lot of downside on AUD USD. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will definitely be able to catch these trades, man. Follow me on Instagram if you want to catch these trades. It's free. I send them on my story every single day that I'm trading. So you guys can just catch some pips with me, man. Catch some pips with me. Why not? It's free. Until they're not. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade outlook on AUD, man. AUD USD. Keep it short and simple and sweet to the point. Trading is not hard. No. Trading is actually pretty hard. Don't let anybody tell you it's not. That shit is hard. But yeah, just practice and it gets easier. But this is Nonchalant FX, aka Swing King, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.